Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to clean up email list here in Constant Contact. Like with the home, before you do a deep clean, you want to tidy up. Get rid of the most obvious things lying around that really shouldn't be there. You might find unused segments right here under Contacts, List and Segments, also List, all right, that you don't need. You might want to delete them. For example, this segment, you might want to remove it. Like click on the three dots right here, hit on Delete Segment, and just create another segment, all right, to a more targeted email. And you could also go to your contacts right here and check one by one if you want to remove someone, okay? Just click on the name, actions, you have delete. Now going back to list and segments, for example, under Facebook ads lead, all right, or under my contacts, just click on it. You can go ahead and filter it out from here at the top left, maybe depending on a state or province, and also the status, these ones that are unsubscribed, okay? Click on it to filter it out, and then once done, you can go ahead and delete them one by one. Again, I have mentioned earlier, you have to segment your list, and we do have a separate video for that. Just go ahead and look it up in the channel, and the title is How to Segment List in Constant Contact. And we have a ton of videos about Constant Contact. All right, and those are just the basic things on how to clean up your email list here in Constant Contact. And if you want to delete a specific email, go ahead over to Marketing Channels, click on Email, and in here, delete an email one by one. All right. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.